Get the hot dog buns, like so, spread them out to ensconce the plate for a plate full of chili dogs. This is a great set from Costco. It's organic mustard. Took me by surprise. I didn't know how amazing it was going to be. Man, the ra-cha-cha-cha. It's very important. Very important. Like so. Low on American cheese, but we shared today. Like so. Don't forget the ham. So you got this Filet Mign-Dog chili going on with the dogs and the chili. Then cover it all up with dairy. And final layer of hot sauce. So it's hot on the top too. Yippee! Oh boy, 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 oh boy. Wow! There she is. Yay! Yeah, that's how that's done.
Ladies and gentlemen, in his natural environment of the Sierras, what we have here is a Jake Lee in the backwoods.
I think maybe we should go. I'm tired.
Shh, quiet. Quiet, mate. We don't want to spook him.